Hello, garden enthusiasts and culinary adventurers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of tomatillos, those tangy green fruits essential to authentic Mexican cuisine. Whether you're limited by space or just love container gardening, this guide will help you grow tomatillos right on your patio or balcony. Let's get started. Tomatillos, also known as Mexican husk tomatoes, are not only delicious but also surprisingly easy to grow in containers. We'll cover everything from choosing the right container to harvesting your tomatillos. First things first, selecting the right container is crucial. Tomatillos thrive in pots that are at least 5 gallons in size, with plenty of drainage holes to prevent waterlogged roots. Remember, a healthy root system means a bountiful harvest. Next, let's talk soil. Opt for a high-quality potting mix that's rich in organic matter. This will ensure your tomatillos have all the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. When planting your tomatillo seedlings, space them about 3 feet apart. Tomatillos are self-incompatible, which means you'll need at least 2 plants for pollination and fruit set. Tomatillos love the sun, requiring at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. When it comes to watering, keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. As your tomatillos grow, they'll need support to keep them off the ground. Use stakes or cages to keep your plants upright and promote air circulation, reducing the risk of disease. After all your hard work, it's finally time to harvest. Tomatillos are ready when their husks begin to split and the fruit inside turns a vibrant green. Simply pick them off the plant and enjoy fresh, or use them in your favorite salsa verde recipe. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to growing tomatillos in containers. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy these tangy fruits right from your own balcony or patio. Remember, the key to success is choosing the right container, ensuring adequate sunlight and keeping the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, happy gardening.